Let's talk about the recently launched INFINIX smartphone Hot 30. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 90.7% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 396 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The phone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 depth camera for selfies. It has 8 megapixel camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 based on XOS 12.6 screen. On top the device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB. Dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.7 by 76.6 by 8.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams, and the color options Sonic White, Surfing Green, Racing Black colors, to see in this phone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the phone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor with AI face unlock for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX Hot 30 has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB. Storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this INFINIX Hot 30? Do let us know in the comments section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.